of meter into kilometers or kilometers into meters. So always remember 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. This is very important relation that you have to keep in mind. Is that clear? Now let's do the question. Convert the following lengths into meters. So the first question is 5 kilometer. So we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 5 multiplied by 1000 meter. So the answer will be 5000 meter. Now second question. 9 again. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So the answer is 9000 meter. Now here next question is 60 kilometer. So 60 multiplied by 1000 meter, that is equals to 16000 meter. Now 21 kilometer, next question, 21 into 1000 meter, that is equals to 21000 meter. Now next question is 31 kilometers. So what you have to do? 31 into 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So you will write 31000 meter. Now here 40 into 1000 meter. Again 4000 meter. Now for next question, 78 kilometer. So 78 multiplied by 1000 meter, that is 78000 meter. Now 99 kilometer equals to 99 into 1000 meter, that will be equals to 99000 meter. Now the next type question is here kilometer, 7 kilometers and 205 meter. This we have to convert into meter. So this is already in meter and this portion is not in meter. So convert this first in meter. So this is 7 into 1000 meter plus 205 meter. This can be written as 7000 meter plus 205 meter. So this can be written as 1 space with 1 space, 5, 10 space with 10 space, then 100 space with 100 space, then 1000 space. Always remember you can't add two different units. So here we have meter and meter. Now you can add these two meters. Is that clear? Now the next question is convert this kilometer into meter first. So 1000 meter plus 60 meter. So this is equals to 000 meter plus 60 meter. Now 1 space with 1 space, this is 0, 10 space with 10 space. Then rest of the number you will write. So this 12,060 meter is the answer. 90 kilometer and 215 meter. So convert this 90 into 1000 meter plus 215 meter. Here we can write 9000 meter plus 205 meter, and that will be equals to, add 5 with 0, 5, 1, 2, then 9, then 1. So 1 space with 1 space, 10 space with 10 space, 100 space with 100 space, and then 1000 and then 10,000 places. So this is 19,215 meter is the answer, right? Now here, say 35 kilometer, convert this kilometer into meter. plus 120 meter. Then add this 0 with the 0. So you can write here 0, 2, then 1, then 5, then 3 meter. This is the answer. Now 13th question, 42 kilometer, 42 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 720 meter. This is equals to 42000 meter plus 720 meter, and that you can add. So 0 with 0 is 0, then 2 with 0, 2, 7 with 0, 7, then 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That much is the answer. 42,720 meter. Now here 98 into 1000 meter. First we have to convert this kilometer into meter, and then you can add 999 meter we can add. So 98,000 meter plus 999 meter. You can add directly 3 digits and here 3 zeros, so you can write directly 999 and 89. So this is 98,999. This is the. Now let's see the converse part, that is we have to convert meter into kilometer and meters. Is that clear? Kilometers and meters. We have 2000, first question 2001. So always remember what I told you to learn, that is 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So you have to divide this number from 3 zeros. So here we have from 100 we will divide, that is 2000 meter plus 001 meter. Can you write this? Then we can divide this as 2 into 1000 meter plus 1 meter. 001 is what? 1 meter. So this can be written as, this 1000 can be written as 2 kilometer and 1 meter. 2 kilometers and 1 meter. Now next question. See, we have to divide after 3 zeros. See, 1, 2, 3 after 3 zeros. So this is 4000 meter plus 650 meter. This 4000 can be written as 4 into 1000 meter plus 650 meter. So can we write 1000 as kilometer? Yes, 4 kilometer and 650 meter. Is that clear? Now this again after 3 places you have to divide. So this is equals to 12000 meter plus 700 meter. This can be written as 12 into 1000 meter plus 700 meter, or we can write this 12 and this can be written as kilometer and this is 700 meter. Is that clear? Now next question, again we have to divide this after 3 places. 1, 2, 3, this one. So 23000 meter plus 951 meter. This can be written as 23 into 1000 meter plus 951 meter. That can be written as, this is what? Kilometer. So 23 kilometer and 951 meter. Is that clear? Now here, next question. Again we have to divide after 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So So this is 75000 meter plus 003 meter. This can be written as 75 into 1000 meter plus 3 meter. 1000 meter can be written as 75 kilometer, and this one is 3 meter. Is that clear? Now the next question, 1, 2, 3. Divide from here. 85000 meter plus 678 meter. This can be written as 85 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 678 meter. 678 meter. So this can be written as kilometer. So the answer is 85 kilometer and 678 meter. Is that clear? Now next question. Again, after 3 places, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 places, 70,000 meter plus 503 meter. We can write this as 70 into 1000 meter plus 503 meter. 503 meter, right? So this can be written as 70. This 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So we can write kilometer, and this is 503 meter. Is that clear? Now next question, 99,999 meter. This can be divided here after 3 places. So this is 99000 meter plus 999 meter. Here we have 99 into 1000 meter plus 999 meter. Now this is 99. We can write 1000 kilometer. 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So kilometer and 999 meter. So this is the answer. So for the timing, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As usual.